Hello, welcome to Voice Comment HT. Now that you have purchased a subscription to Voice Comment HT, we want to make sure you have a good experience with your new application. After your purchase, you should receive an email that provides you with a receipt and 4 key pieces of data: the download link for the desktop application, the license key for your subscription, a description of the subscription type, and the start and expiration dates. Please keep that important email and remember that your subscription will automatically renew every year. Please click on the download link in the email and save the application to your hard drive. Next, double-click on the file to get the application installation process started. For the early purchasers of Voice Comment HT, you may see a Microsoft Defender message about the application. Don't worry, this is common for brand new applications. Click on the More Info link to continue the installation process. The window will change to what you see now, and all you have to do is click on the Run Anyway button to continue the installation. The Ready to Install window will appear. Please click the Next button and the window will change slightly, and you should then click the Install button to continue the installation process. Click on Next again until the installation is finished. Congratulations! You have now installed the Voice Comment HT application. Now, let's open the application. First, you have to open Microsoft Word, where you will see the Voice Comment HT application ribbon. Let's make a test voice comment to help you get used to the application. Step 1. Open an existing or new Word document. Add some text. Highlight any word or sentence of text. Click on the Voice Comment HT ribbon tab, which will bring up the application. Click on the Voice Comment HT microphone icon in the upper left corner of the window, which will bring up the application. Open the email with the application information, because you need to fill the boxes in the Activate License window that pops up before you can use the application. Enter the email address used to purchase the application, along with the license key. The last step in activating the application is to select the subscription type purchased and click the Activate button. You will know that the activation is successful when a new window pops up with a message stating that the license is activated. Click on the Voice Comment HT icon to bring up the application interface. Hit the Record button to start recording your first voice comment. Click the Stop button when you are done recording. The application will ask you if you want to change the file name. If you don't want to change the file name, then click on No. The voice comment will be placed within a comment box with a speaker icon and default file name. To listen to the voice comment, just click on the speaker icon in the comment and it will play back. That's all it takes. Thank you very much for using Voice Comment HT. Better feedback, save time, avoid unnecessary meetings.